You work for a company called Hot House Design. We're doing presentations. You're going to perform some clerical tasks for the company. Your manager has asked you to set up a presentation, PowerPoint, for the board of directors. The medium for delivery will be a multimedia projector. That's all, chaps. You don't have to know anything about that. Presenter notes need to be produced with a slide. So this is quite a cool one. Set up a new presentation consisting of 4 slides. So you must remember that. We're going to do 4 slides, okay? However, it says there, on the master slide, we're going to do stuff on the master slide, then we're going to go out of the master slide, and we're going to open normal slides, okay? Don't make your 4 slides on the master slide, okay? Like I've seen some people been doing lately. Don't know why. So, you open your PowerPoint software. There it is. You go to View. You click on Slide Master. Always make sure you're on slide 1 when you're working. Okay, there it is. Let's make it a bit smaller and see what we got to do. Okay, make it a bit smaller. What must we do? On the master slide, let's make this a bit bigger so that you guys can see the question. On the master slide, must have a light gray background on the left-hand side. I don't want it that big. On the left-hand side, about 1/5 of the width. Okay, you divide your slide into 1/5. There we go. So you click on it. Let's make that about 1/5 of the width with 1 vertical red stripe and 2 other ones going there. Okay. The 2 horizontal stripes. Each stripe should be about 6 points wide. So that's quite easy. You got to insert. Okay. Shapes. Grab a line. 1/5. Can you see there? Up there, if you go View, click on your ruler so you can see it. Okay. Then, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12, 1/5, 5 goes to 10, 2, so it's just over 2. So there's a bit, 1, 2. So you can make it here. About, that's it, about. So, khalas, that's about. Can you see that? Make it kind of straight. That looks kind of straight. There you go. How much it must be? 6 points wide. So you click on it, you right click, format, shape, and there it is. What's it? About 6 points. Make it 6, PT. What's the color? Must be red. Okay? Where's color here? Line color. You can see it must be red. Line color, red. There we go. Close. Okay, so is it straight? Looks kind of straight. 6 point wide. We need another 2 of them. You just go copy, paste. There it is. You grab it there. It looks something like that. Grab it there. Put it there. Okay, we know it's straight because we're cheating a bit. Can you see what we did? I'm putting it on the lines. And it kind of looks what it's supposed to look like. So, that over there must be gray. How do you do that? How are you going to make it gray? The easiest way for me is I put a text box in here. Can you see that? Go there. Go there. And make the text box bigger. Actually, better not, don't use a text box. Go to Insert, Shapes, grab a box, grab it there, pull it down, go to, right click on it, Format Shape, Color, okay, and make it gray, and close. And then you can see something's happened here. Okay, something's happened here. So, all you got to do is that, and grab it there, Bring it here. Click on this. Okay, send it to the back. Can you see there? We clicked on this. You right click. You went send to the back. Send to the back. Okay. This one. Let's bring it forward. Just so we can see what we're doing. Can you see there? So there it is. Can you see it's gray? Does it look like that? Yes, gray. So remember, I put the line coming down. I right click. I made it thick. I put this. I could have put this box in first. I think you should put this box in first. Make it gray, and then bring the red strings across over it. Okay. So there it is. What's the next thing we must do? Okay. You guys play around with it. You'll know it. Include an automated slide num in the bottom right of each slide. Make sure that it does not overlap any of the lines in step 2. Automated slide num at the bottom right of each slide. Okay, bottom right. So you go there, cut out their silly boxes, and you put in your own. Okay, insert a text box. Every time you're going to do something, you take their boxes out. You don't want to use their boxes, because their boxes don't work. Okay, what do we want? Insert. Did you see what I did? I put my own text box in. What do they want? Slide number. Click there. There's the slide number. What else do they want? Okay. Place a clipart image of a telephone as a logo in the top left corner. Okay, top left. They want a telephone here. So you go there, click somewhere there, go to insert. I'm going to just go to clipart. If the clipart doesn't work, you've got to go to the internet. Okay, telephone. So let's see if my clipart works. And there's the telephone. So I'm going to put it in the top left hand corner. Can you see those red lines? It can't overlap them. They told you nothing must overlap the red lines. Okay, still overlapping a bit. And a bit more. And put it there. Okay, can you see there? I put a telephone there. So what else? See there. Must be resized so that it is within and does not overlap the 3 red lines. Okay, can you see it doesn't overlap the 3 red lines? Click on the picture. Make it a bit bigger. Still not overlapping the 3 red lines. Cool. Okay, what else? Enter your name, center name, and canon number. Left align in the white area. In the white area at the bottom of the master slide. Okay, the white area. Can you see this is the white area? We don't want this. You go delete it. You don't want this because their text boxes don't work. You go insert. You grab your text box, your own text box, and what do they want? They want your name in the white area. Okay. So put it in. Click in the box. Joe P PH 019 1 2 3 4 5 6. Can you see we've done that? And it can you see that? Looks like it. Add the text telephone analysis as a header. Left align black 44. What did we say? We don't want their boxes. Okay. Cut it out. Put your own box in. Insert text box. Make sure it doesn't cut the lines. You put it in there. What is it? Telephone analysis. You go telephone, phone. Click in. Make sure you click in the box. Click in the box. Right click. Edit text. And telephone. And telephone lesson as a header. Should be left aligned. Left aligned. Left aligned. 44. 44. sans serif, which is Arial or Calibra. Sans serif is the big one goes to the small one. Okay, Arial. Okay, there we go. And it's Arial. Okay. This should be between the red lines and not overlap any other objects on the slide. It should look like this. Does it look like this? Yes, it does. Okay. Now, guys, it says here on each slide you are going to add text. What does that mean? That means we've finished with the master slide. Okay, we've finished with the master slide. We're going to start working on the slides. You close the master slide. Look what happens there. Remember they told us we're going to be working with 4 slides. So, put 4 slides in. We've gone out of the master slide now. We're working in the normal slides. Can you see that? Can you see it's got that, click on that title, you don't have to worry. If you're going to view, you'll see it's gone. View, you're going to slideshow, go from the beginning and look there. It's quite cool. Okay, you don't have to worry about those boxes showing there, okay? And there you go. So what must we do? On each slide, you're going to add text and images to the main white area of the slide. No text or objects should overlap any items on the master slide. Read every single question. Set the following styles of text through the entire presentation. Heading, red, left aligned, large font. Okay, so if it's a heading, it must be red aligned, large font. Subheading, center line, 36 points. Okay, so if it's there, you're going to make it. So remember, every time you do a heading or subheading or bulleted list, this is what it must be. On the first slide, enter the heading, hot house design. Now look what I'm doing. You don't go and write it there, you put it here. Control V, hot house design. What must the heading be? Red. Red. That's the heading. Left aligned. Now you got to be careful. Look at that. It's overlapping. So you got to move it. Okay. Grab your box and just put it there. Actually, just leave it like that. Hot house design. What is 60 points? 60. PT. Bring this up. Put it just under there so you can work with it. Make this here and bring it up. There's your heading. Okay. So, do you see what this is? Below the heading, enter the subheadings. What's the subheading? Red center line, 36 points. So, you got a subheading. Okay. You go copy. Okay. There's your heading. Put a subheading underneath it. Go Control V. That's not what they wanted. What did they want the subheading? Oh, okay. So they did want that. Control V. There's it. What must your subheadings be? Red. Red. 36 points. And centered align. Okay, and you can see it needs to be moved to the middle. Okay, can you see that? Take this box away. Okay, hot house design is going over. See, you got to play around with it. So there we go. Hot house design. Snapshot analysis of telephone use within the company, and that's it. Is that what we did? Yes. Add the following presenter notes to the slide. Okay, where do you put the presenter notes? You click on it. Well, you got to type it in. Here's notes. Can you see your notes page? You can pull it up. Just make it a bit bigger, and you type those notes in. Can you see there? So there on your first slide, that's what it looks like. What do they want on the second slide? Second slide, enter the subheading, department analysis, okay? So, You're going to type in there department analysis. Okay, department analysis. What must the subheading be? Red center line 36 points. So red 36 center. Okay, I spelled analysis wrong. Let's get it right. Okay, so we got red center 36 points. Okay, where are we? Question 2. The department analysis is in the same style as the first slide. Enter the following bulleted list on the slide. So you've got to basically type this in. Okay. I, on the other hand, don't have to, because I'm going to put it in here. Control V. Okay. So, can you see how they use the bulleted list? So we've got to go and look for those bullets. They look like that. Can you see there? So you click on there, on the bullets, and you make it like that. Can you see they're overgoing the red lines? Can you see this here? You could just do that. Okay, that's not supposed to be a bullet. Do you see there? And these ones, move it. Oh myself. Let me undo and start again. Grab it here. Can you see there, the left one? And move the whole shenanigans there. And that didn't move. Then you grab it there and you move it there. And there it is. Remember, your subheading must not be a bulleted. Fix it. Okay. So what must the body text be? Let's go and have a look. Okay, every one of these should be animated. Okay. The bulleted left align 24 points, small font. Okay. Okay, left align 24 points. There we go. Can you see that? Okay. They must be, every single one of them must be animated. You highlight that like that. You go there. You go animated. Go to custom animation. And you go add effects. Okay. Whatever you want. Okay, you do that with each one of them. Add a flick, click, box. Can you see that? Add a click, add effect. That's how you do animation, okay? And there you go. You understand? You do that with each one of them. Okay, so that's how you add animation. Can you see that? Enter the following bullet list on the right side of the slide. Ah, so they want you to enter more bullets. Okay, so all you go, watch this. All you do is you go insert a text box, and you put another text box here. Ah, text box I said. Insert. Okay, go insert. Shape. Make a shape here. Can you see that? Go to format, shape. No color. Okay, can you see there? And go to edit text. Okay. Go to home, left, and what do they want you to put in? All this. Okay. Oh. Okay, so all you got to do, you go right click, format shape, click on no fill. Can you see there? No fill. And go close. And there it is. Then you go in there, edit text, and then you can put it. Why? Edit text, and put your text in. Okay, so that's not working for some strange reason. Okay, cut. So then the only thing you can do is this. Bring this text box in. Can you see that? Bring that text box in. Insert a new text box. About over here. Okay. Type this in. Can you see that? Copy. Put it in there. Go Control V. There it is. Make it the same as the other one. Did you see what I did? Made it the same as the other one. What must the numbering be? Bulleted list, blank, left align, 24 points. Left align, 24 points. Okay, so click on there, go to 24 points, and there it is. Okay, make it a bit bigger, and a bit more bigger, and a bit more bigger, and there it is. Okay, let's make it a bulleted list. Make it a bulleted list. Quite easy. Give it the same style as the other one. There it is. Okay. Okay, is it 24 points? Yeah. So let's have a look. There it is. Can you see what I did? I made that text box smaller. I inserted in a new text box and I did it. Don't know what. So ignore all the other stuff. Do what I just did there. Okay. Okay, so that's the second slide. Okay. Both bullet lists should be each bullet set to appear one at a time using the same animation effect. Okay, so you're going to make each single one an animation and it must use the same one. You highlight, you click on animation, custom animation, add effect, and it must be the same one all the time. Go to the first one and just make them all exactly the same that I did. Okay, so you understand that. Okay, next. On the third slide, create a pie chart from the following data. Okay, so they want the following data. So you go copy, you go into Excel, new, click on there, put it in there, put it in. There's your data. Okay. Oh my soul. So I've got to do it the hard way. Okay, where's it? Where's the thing? So it's going to be, you got to type in here. You'll have to do this. And you'll have to type in all these things. Can you see what I'm doing? Peak, cheap. Okay, can you see what I'm doing? Internal. Okay, and in that one, minutes. This one, 1640. This one, 7842. This one, 1543. And this one, 16805. Can you see that? There we go. Okay. Make it so that you can read all the data. Okay, so you must make a pie chart. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we're going to make a pie chart. Just going to have something to drink because my mouth's dry. Okay, so we placed the chart. We typed everything they told us in Excel. Can you see that? Place the chart in the center of the slide. Okay, so that chart's going to be, what must the charts be? Create a pie chart from the following data. Place the chart in the center of the slide. Enlarge the chart so it's clearly visible. Each segment must show the call type and percentage value. Do not display a legend. Okay, so that's quite easy. You don't do the headings, you just do the data, okay? So there it is. You go to insert, you go to pie, click on normal pie one. Can you see there? It's like this. How are you going to make the percentages go in here? Quite easy. Go here, can you see there? Click on that. There's percentages. Delete that. Go like that. Move it so you know the green one's there. Click on that. Click on that one. And move it closer. Okay. Can you see that? And so you can see that's peak, that's international, that's cheap, that's thing. Did it have anything about a chart title? Create a pattern from the following places chart on the chart line. Okay. No, they didn't want anything about a chart title. Let's read a bit down. No chart title. Okay. Okay, so that's quite easy. So let's go on the third slide. So you go copy, and you go to your slide, go to your third one, insert it. There it is. Okay, can you see there? Quite cool. Can you fall? Okay, so there it is. There's your chart. Oh, wait, they didn't want it, so delete it. They didn't want a chart title. Okay, so there's your third slide. They want a presenter notes. You've got to type the presenter notes by the add notes. Okay, can you see that? You go there. As you can see, blah, blah, blah. You'll have to actually type that in yourself. I can copy and paste it because I've got all this on my desktop. Okay, but you'll have it. And you'll have it there. Okay, can you see that? Delete. Okay, so there we go. We've got that. What else must we do? That's the third slide. On the fourth slide, enter the text as a subheading. Remember, you always, every time you do this, you're going to go find out what your subheadings are. Okay, click the edit title. You're going to type this in, replace some calls with as a subheading. Okay, copy. You go there, Control V. It's not go home. It's not bullet points. Subheadings on bullet points, it must be red. 36. Center line. So there's your subheading. Can you see that? If you go up to your paper there, it tells you what the subheading must be. Okay. Subheading red, center line, 36 points. Okay. So what's on fourth slide? Enter the following bulleted list on the left of the slide. Okay, so we can go there, copy, and Control V. Then, okay, can you see it's all on the left? Can't be there. Can't cross over the red lines. So you move it there. Oh my goodness. And move it. And then move your dots as well. Okay. Can you see what I'm doing? Showing you exactly how to do it. There's a whole lot of different ways of doing it. Find the best way that suits you and do it. Okay. So to the right of the bullet list, they want a different image of a telephone. So you go insert, Clipart, picture, yeah, from Clipart, and get another image of a picture. Okay. So there it is. Grab it, put it there, make it bigger. Okay, that's what they wanted you to do. Okay, go down. That slide, is that the last? Oh, add the following presenter notes. Okay. Okay. So you go copy, and there you go. Control V. Okay, it says there, use the same transitional effects between each slide, save the presentation, print the presentation showing all the presenter notes, print the presentation showing 3 slides to a page with space for the audience to make notes, print a screenshot of slide 2 showing the animation used for the bullet list, print a screenshot of the presentation showing the transaction between the slides. Okay, so that's quite easy. First of all, they want you to print it with notes. So you go there. Can you see there? You go print. Slides. With notes. Can you see that? So, then you got to go, well, if you go preview, and you'll see it. Can you see that? Notes. And then you'll print it. Are you going to print it first? No. Why? Well, first of all, you might want to, actually you don't have to, because your name is there. You've put your name in here. So you go file, and you can print. Print, remember, print, notes page. Go look what it looks like. You can go to options if you want to. Go to your header. Okay, in your header, put Jopi. Just do this, okay? Make sure your name's on every slide. Okay. And apply to all. And there it is. There's your name. Can you see that? And then you click on print. Okay. So that's the one thing they want you to do. The next thing they want you to do is, okay, print the presentation in 3 slides to a page with space for the audience notes. Okay. So they want you to print. Print what? Slide 3. And can you see there? Audience can make notes. You go preview. So you go print what? Handouts so that the audience can make notes. You go preview. Look there. Audience can make notes. Can you see that? Your name's already on it because you did it on the first one. And then you print. Okay. That's done. So the first one was notes. You printed out notes. The next one, for the audience to make notes, it must be handouts. Okay. And what's the next one they want us to do? Place a screenshot of slide 2 showing the animation using the bulleted list. Okay, so where's slide 2? Can you see there? It's going to have all these numbers there going down, and you're going to do a screenshot of this, okay? Just of this slide. So you go to slideshow. Well, actually, you can just take a screenshot of this. Because when you do it, you're using the same animation every time. Okay, blind, and it'll show it here. And can you see there? It should actually be blind, or I just made a whole lot of different, but you know what it is. Blind, and you do shift, print screen, put in your evidence. Okay, got it. So, because I was saying first, print the screenshot of the presentation showing the transition between the slides. Okay, slide transition, the same thing. Okay, animation. And you're going to click on here. Click on there. Okay. So you're going to go there. Can you see there? You highlighted. Make sure it's saying fade from black. And you do a screenshot of this. And you put in your evidence. And that's it. That's PowerPoint. That's PowerPoint now.